Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on JustMarkets. So right now we have here the gold to US dollar chart and we want to set a stop loss on our trade. So what we're gonna do right now is we click right here on new order, and then from here we can select the volume that we want to step in on this trade. So how much money we want to use. Then after that we click here on stop loss, and now we can select right here a point on the chart where we want to put our stop loss on. And a stop loss means that when he hits that position, that he will stop our losses and will close that position that we had. So right now we can select right here what we want, or fill right here in which amount of money we want to put the stop loss on. And then once we did that, we click here on buy by market. And now if you scroll down, you will find here the trade with the stop loss right there. So this is how you can put a stop loss on JustMarkets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.